prep stuff, so we're ready to go. So we can do this. So we're going to make a ramp to go on the duck pond so that they have a place to swim in the chicken pen over here. So what we're doing is we're taking some pressure treated materials and some exterior treated materials, and we're going to build this little ramp to go on for them out there. And that's pretty much how it's going to set up. So what we did, we got our, come over here, we got us some slats made. We're going to cut them. Bug in my hair. Anyway, the slats go right there. And then we're going to nail them on. Hang on, I got to plug this in. Extra, he's going to get some water over there. And then we're done with this. Then you take a support bracket here, and to keep it from falling out of the pool, I got this one to hang over into the pool. So we put that right there. I'll go over the pool here in a second and show you how it works. There. That's a 10-inch. That's a number 10 3-inch deck screw. And that's pretty much most of the ramp. Now we take it to the ducks.
So we're using this as an example for the duck ramp, and like we said earlier, and stuff like that. And we are going to the pen right now. So
this is the duck pond. And we hook it over there, stand it up right there, and that way we make sure that that piece is in the right place so that when the ducks crawl up, it keeps the weight on it.
and then
Now, all we need is water.
all we need is water.
But that's pretty much the whole thing for the duck ramp. Now they can walk up the ramp, get in the water, and we're going to set a brick inside so that whenever they get done, they can stand on the brick, get out after playing in the water.
We just set the brick right there, so we won't not have problem with the
Ducks should be able to get out.
ducks get out. And also we did, and that's the rooster. This the ducks right there, and stuff like that. And I was like, share, comment, and subscribe.